Hello students, today we are going to study third numerical of Rayleigh's method. Question is given as find the expression for the power P developed by a pump when P depends upon the head H, the discharge Q and specific weight W of the fluid. Now, power depends on head, discharge and specific weight. So, equation will becomes P equals to K H to the power A, Q to the power B and W to the power C. Now, we have to write the dimensional formula for all the parameters. So, it will be equals to ml square T minus 3 will be equals to K into L to the power A. Now, the dimension formula for Q will be equals to L cube T to the power minus 1 whole to the power B, and for W it will be equals to ml to the power minus 2 T to the power minus 2 whole to the power C. Now, on rearranging this, we will have L to the power A plus 3B minus 2C. Similarly, T to the power minus B minus 2C and M to the power C only. Now, equating the powers of M, L and T on both sides, we have power of M will be equals to 1 equals to C. So, the value of C will be equals to 1, which is shown here. Similarly, we will equate power of T, it will be equals to minus 3 equals to minus B minus 2C. On putting the value of C here, the value of B comes out as 1. Now, equating the powers of L, it will be equals to 2 equals to A plus 3B minus 2C. On putting the value of B as 1 and C as 1, we will have the value of A equals to 1. Now, substituting these values in the parent equation, and the final equation will becomes P equals to K H to the power 1, Q to the power 1 and W to the power 1. So, it will be equals to K H Q into W. That will be the formula for power. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.